Hello everyone, friends on Kalawala. Today I will show you how to install Antigravity on Windows 11. Well, download and install, yes. Go to the browser, write Antigravity here. That's it. And we have Google Antigravity here. Click download. I have Windows 64 bits and it shouldn't be a dozen. Even it turns out you can roll a 10, respectively. Open the exe file. We accept. Next. Next. I don't need to. Next. But if you need to create on the desktop, then create an icon. If not, then, well, remove the checkbox. Click Next and install. In general, it was established. Click the Finish button with a check mark to start. While I was installing it, I made myself a seagull. Here it is. Well, now we are greeted by a program where we, accordingly, can download the settings of the BHS code. Here we choose what you need, yes. That is, what kind of development do you need? Limited, agent, or already custom? There is a balanced one and, well, so choose it, binds and plugins if necessary. Log in via Google. Well, we agree to the user agreements. Click Next and you're ready to go. That's all. It was Waller. Like, subscribe to the channel. Bye, everyone.